Hello students, welcome to Siddapur Mathematics Academy. So in the today's class again I am giving you simple tricks on trigonometry for CET purpose. So if you are watching my video first time, please watch the video till end, and after that if you are watching first time, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends. See the simple tricks. Here we are familiar with the compound angles, that complementary angles. A plus B is equal to 90 degree. If sum of two angles is 90 degree, then sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1. Why we are writing like this? See, B will be written as 90 minus A. B will be written as 90 minus A. Sin square 90 minus A. If it is 90 minus A, it changes to cos square A. See, you will get sin square A plus cos square A or what? Like that, cos square A plus sin cos square B is 1. Tan A into tan B is 1. Cot A into cot B is 1. These are the important tricks. So I will explain these tricks one by one. That means for these examples what we have to do, just we have to add the angles. See the first question, the value of cot 54 upon tan 36 plus tan 20 upon cot 20. When you add these two angles, see, is it 90 degree or what? Yes, if it is a 90 degree means you can write as cot 54. One here, only for one I will explain. You know how to split tan 36 with the help of allied angle. No need to convert, just I will explain a step. Tan 36, how you write? It is tan 90 minus 54. And tan 90 minus 54, it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta, that is cot theta. Theta is 54. Convert anyone. Cot 54. Only for your sake I explain. Otherwise in CET no need to write that. And tan 20 I kept as this. 20 plus 70 is 90. Cot 70 is tan 20. So these get cancels 1 and these get cancels 1. It is 1 plus 1, 2. This is what the explanation, how we solve. But in CET what to do? In CET no need to write all these steps. Just write down cot 54 and tan 36. You have to check whether they are allied angles to each other or what. Sin and cos. Cosec and sec, tan and cot, like that. Tan 54, cot 54, tan 36. When you add these two, it is a 90 degree. If it is a 90 degree and they are allied angle to each other, so it is 2. And here 17.5, 72.5. It is in the form of sin square A plus sin square B. Add these two. What is it? 17.5 and 72.5. Say, add that. If your answer is 90 degree, without calculations you can write the answer as 1. See, is it 90 degree or what? Yes, it is a 90 degree and the answer is 1. And here, which value gives you 1? What is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1 by root 2. It is not 1. Sin 90 is what? Yes, sin 90 is 1. 1 square is 1. This is the answer. Moving to the next one. See the next one. Sin square 51 degree plus sin square 39 degree. When you add these two, 51 plus 39, is it 90 degree or what? Yes, it is a 90 degree. And it is in the form of sin square A plus sin square B. That answer is also 1. Now I am moving to the next question. See the next question. Tan 15 degree into tan 36 30 degree into tan 45 degree into tan 60 degree into tan 75 degree is equal to, yes, and I am giving you the answer here. 1, 2, 3, 0. See, you have to check your own. 15 degree and 75 degrees, how much? 15 plus 75 is 90. When you combine these two, they are in the form of tan A into tan B. That is 1. 30 into 60, even though they are a standard, don't write that values, these values. Again, when you add 30 plus 60, that is also 90. That is 1. And in between multiplication, tan 45 is also 1. So the answer is 1. Now moving to the next example. See students, the next example. What is the next example you are observing? Sin square 30 degree into sin square 60 degree. Here 60 plus 30 is 90. This is 1. 15 plus 75, that is also 1. So 90 degree. Sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1 if A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Andre 15 plus 75 90. Angles ಎರಡು add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 90 degree ಬಂದ್ರೆ that value is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So simple trick it is. Moving to the next one. Pi square sin square pi by 8, sin square 3 pi by 8, sin square 5 pi by 8, sin square 7 pi by 8. Add these two. Pi by 8 plus 3 pi by 8 is what? Pi by 8 plus 3 pi by 8 is 4 pi by 8. 4 pi by 8 is pi by 2. That means this value, whatever I am underlining, that value is 1. Then what about these two values here? Allied angle. They are directly not, they are 90 degree. But sin square pi pi by 8 will be written as sin pi minus 3 pi by 8. So that is sin square 3 pi by 8. This is sin square 3 pi by 8. Similarly, solve this. Sin square 7 pi by 8 is pi minus pi by 8. It is sin square pi by 8 plus sin square pi by 8. See, 3 pi by 8 plus pi by 8 is 90 degrees. This is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Is it very simple or what? Yes. Moving to the next example. You are familiar. What is the familiar result? If A plus B is equal to 90 degree, then tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is 1, or cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 is equal to 1. You can go for reverse also. Reverse means how? If cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 is equal to 1 means theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degree. So that we are using here. Here indirectly it is given 11 theta plus 7 theta is 90 degree. 18 theta is 90 degree. Then what is theta? 90 by 18. It is 5 degree. Correct or what? So now it is tan 9 into theta is 5 degree, tan 45 degree, and tan 45 is 1. See, so simple tricks we have. Here also we have the same method. See, tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta is 1. That means indirectly it is given as 5 theta plus 4 theta is 90 degree. 9 theta is 90 degree implies theta is equal to 10 degree. It is tan 3 into 10 degree, that is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. I will give two. Like this I am giving you so many tricks in different chapters also. Please watch and follow these tricks. Share with your friends.